Hi student, the message you listen in introductory slide was in Morse code as ASOC Tutorials India. In India, to be awarded for general grade amateur license or certificate, it is essential to demonstrate your sending as well as receiving skill in Morse code. This Morse code is still fascinating hobby in amateur radio. In ASOC examination for general grade, the Morse code exam is for 5 minute receiving and 5 minute for sending. It is very important to know that before 2009, the Morse code requirement for grade 2 was only 5 words per minute, consisting of alphabets only, and for grade 1 and advanced, it was 12 words per minute, including numbers and punctuations. Later, after amendments in 2009, WPC has reduced number of 5 type of license to only 2 type of license, which restricted and general. Now, for general grade, it is an essential requirement to demonstrate your Morse code skill at 8 words per minute in sending as well as in receiving both. If you copy Morse code continuously for 1 minute without any error, you are eligible for pass. Or if you make more than 5 mistakes, it will disqualify you completely even you have maximum score in theory part. Just keep it in your mind. I recommend you to learn Morse code. You go same way as we have learned. First go all alphabets at 5 words per minute, later add numbers and punctuation, and once you are in confidence with all letters, number and punctuation at 5 words per minute, then slowly increase your speed up to 8 words per minute as per ASOC examination requirement. And when you have a confidence, go for ASOC general examination. First, you must become thorough in receiving Morse code, and after that only you start sending practice. These tutorials, video tutorials, is just to help you how you can do perfect receiving and sending remotely by sitting in your home. But still, it is my advice: take help of a professional or senior hand who know Morse code. Okay. So, first, Morse code is a language of sound. Morse code communication is also called continuous CW. It is a very effective form of two-way radio communication, allowing low-powered hybrid stations to make contact with other stations all around the globe. Learning this Morse code is similar to learning a new language, where each symbol consists of dots and dashes. There are defined lengths for different elements within the Morse characters. Dot, this is the basic length. This is called dit. Listen. Again listen. Okay. Space between the element of characters also equal to 1 dot time. And dash, this one is equal to 3 dot time. This is longer sound called da. Listen. Again listen. This combination of two characters is A. Same way, now I am sending B. Listen carefully. And same time you must remember space between character is 3 dot length. Now listen B. Okay. Now I am sending a word. Example AB, after that space and S. Now this space was for characters. The space between words 5 to 7 dot time. Take 5, 6 or 7, no matter, but your hand must be uniform. Now I am sending S. The first step in learning the Morse code is to learn the individual character themselves. So how to learn Morse code? Morse code can be learned easily if you use certain techniques to remember the codes. Almost all the letters or characters and punctuation marks can be arranged in certain group, which can use to show the resemblance between the combination of dots and dashes. The learn Morse code you need to practice sending and receiving. A simple straight key upper and downer and a audio oscillator That's only the requirements. The oscillator should be set at low audible frequency as per your convenience. I believe within 600 to 800 Hz is a good sound. Timing, spacing and rhythm, they are very important. This Morse code is rhythm. The basic unit is a dit, da and in between space. Practicing by vocalizing the sound as dit and dash, that you need to learn. Learning should best be done with a partner or in a group. But if you are alone, better you send Morse code, record it and play back it and cross check it. But still I recommend you go in a group. So let us start with EISH and later add one by one character so that you have slowly more character and do practice. First group EISH. Better say in phonetic Echo India Sierra Hotel. This is day 1 practice. Listen again. I did it as did it. This one is a group EISH. Listen again systematically. Starting signal, that is very important for you. The moment I will start a message to you, first I will send a starting signal, that is CT bar, combination of CT without space. Listen carefully. It is da, di, da, di, da. Listen. Clear? Now listen systematically again. Listen again. Same time, it is very important to learn ending signal, AR bar. It is a combination of A and R without space. This is D, da, dit. Listen. Now listen again very carefully. Listen again. So you are not allowed to speak in between starting and ending signal. First starting signal will come, then Morse code message will come, then ending signal will come. So this one is a sequence and I am going to follow this system. Clear to you? Going next. EISH. This group letters are all dits only. E, dit, I, D, dit, S, D, dit, H, D, dit. One thing remember, when this dot is coming in the last, we are pronouncing as a dit. Otherwise, we are pronouncing as a D. Clear to you? Now we are going to do practice on EISH. E, I, S, H. Now listen systematically once again. Clear to you? Listen again. So now going continuously. First you have to identify the characters. You have very limited time. Okay? E. Again recognize. It is I. It is S. It is H. It is E. Now you have to do yourself. I am not going to speak. Listen very carefully. Ready? Okay. Yeah, this one was practice piece. Now you have to write on paper pen. You have to write on paper using pen. I hope you have paper pen with you. If not, then kindly keep it every time when there is a Morse code class. So my first exercise will come with starting signal of CT bar, and after the message it will end with AR bar every time. So ready? Go. Okay, exercise completed. Now answer is on your screen. You can check it or you can compare it. Let us compare. Listen carefully and watch screen. Okay, I am starting Morse code again. I hope you don't have mistake here. Going further, it is a good practice if you have preferences for lowercase. I mean to write in small letters. It will not only save your time, but you also get some extra time to guess next letter. So in your paper, the answer should be in small letter as SHEIS, IESHE, EHEHI, SIHES, IHESE as small letter. Now do this practice for all other remaining exercises. Okay, clear? Going next. Now this is exercise 1, EISH only. This exercise will continue 3 minutes. That you have to do practice. This practice will start from CT bar and with AR bar. In between you are not allowed to speak. Ready? Go. Yeah, end of practice. The answer is EISHE, IHIEH, SEHIS, IHSEI, HIHES. Second line. SHEIS, IESHE, EHEHI, SIHES, IHESI, and the last third line is HIESH, SHIES, IEHSI, HESIS, EHSIH. So here don't do more than one mistake. It is not good. If you have less than one mistake, it is wonderful. So let us go continue. Now we have second group TMO, Tango, Mike, Oscar in phonetics. The letters that are in da fall into this group. T, da, M, da da, O, da da da. Got the idea of pronunciation? But we are going to write letters here. This is T, da. This is da da, or I can say M. This is da da da, or I can say O. Now listen carefully, all three letters. Clear to you? Now you have to guess letters. Ready? This is T. This is also T. This is M. M. O. Now you have to speak yourself. I am not going to speak. Ready? Okay. Okay. Now it is time for 1 minute practice. This exercise 2 will start from CT bar and with AR bar. So ready? On your paper, go. Okay, this is end of the exercise. The answer is OT, MOM, MOT, MO, OMT, OM, MT, OMT, TOM, Let us listen again and cross tally. Okay? Okay. This was exercise cross check. Let us go together. Next page. Now you have exercise number 2, only TMO, and this is continue 3-minute reception. Ready on paper? Go. Yeah, this is end of the exercise. Now check yourself. First line is TMTMT, OTOTM, MOMOT, OTOMO, MOTOM. This is first line. Next line OTMOM, TOTMT, MOTMO, OMOTM, OMTOM, and the third line MTMOT, MTOMT, MOTMO, TOMTM, OMOTM. This one should be your answers. Don't do more than one mistake. So we are going continuously. Now it's combination of EISH and TMO, both letters together. First listen. This one is EISH group. Next group. No confusing, all 7 letters will come together. First practice. I am going to help you starting. After that you have to go your own way. E, T, E, M, M. Okay. Now you have to go. Okay, this one was practice. Now come for 1 minute exercise. This will start with CT bar and with AR bar. Ready on paper? Go. Okay, end of the exercise. The answer is on your screen. MIOMH, TOSHI, OEITS, EIMET, MTHIE. Now cross check it. So playing Morse code again. Okay, now it is a 3-minute practice. Exercise 3, EISHTMO, all 7 characters, 3 minutes. On your paper, ready? Go. Yeah, end of the exercise. Check your answers. ETSHT, SOTEH, MESMI, HMIEH, TIMED. Next line. MIOMH, TEMIE, TOSHO, IHEHO, OEITS. Third line. OMTSI, EIMET, HHISM, MTHIE, SHTMH. If you have still so many errors, it is my advice, rewind the video, see it again. Going continuously. Now next group is AUV, Alpha Uniform Victor. These are the leading DITS letters. A, Dida, U, Dida, V, Dida. Clear to you? Now listen first. A, Dida, U, D, D, Da, V, D, 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 Da. Clear? Now listen systematically. A, U, V continuously. Listen again, A, U, V. Okay. Now you have to guess letters. Only A, U, V. This is A. U V A again. Now you have to check yourself. I'm not going to speak. Okay. It was exercise. Now on your paper, 1 minute exercise starting with CT bar and with AR bar. Ready on paper? Okay, go. Okay, end of the exercise. The answer is AUVAV, UVAVU, AUVAU, UVVUA, VVAUU. Okay, now listen and cross check it with Morse code. Yeah, this one was practice AUV. Going further, 3 minute reception practice on your paper, only AUV, 3 letters for 3 minutes. Okay, end of the exercise. Now check your answers. The first line is UVA UV, UAV UV, AU UVA, VUA VV, UV UAU. Second line AUV AB, VAU VU, UVA VU, UA VAV, VAV UA, and the third line VU AVU, AUV AU, UVU VA, UVV UA, VAV UV. Clear? This one was AUV. Going further, now EISH, TM, all 10 characters I am going to, of course, slightly tougher, but you have to learn. E, I, S, H, T, M, O, A, U, V. Clear all letters? Now first check yourself. E. Now I am not going to speak. You have to speak. Okay? In this exercise, you have slightly more time. So take time, but go accurate. M, looks M is giving a trouble. It is Dada. Okay. Now you have very less time to decide. Same speed with less margin time. Now exercise will come continuously. Again you have to speak. Continuously. Ready? Go. Okay, now this is 1 minute exercise time on your paper. Ready? Go. Okay, the answer is E A E I E T I T S T M I M I O A M A I M S U S V H. Check again. Good. Now it is time for 3 minute exercise. Get ready. This is the last exercise for today. It is continue for 3 minutes. Ready? On your paper? Go. Okay, this is end of the exercise. The answer is TSUME OUSIA UOVST SEMIH AHTOE. Second line HAOVI ETVHM IMASO MVHIS SATUM. Third line THEOI AISOU MHVTE SIHVM ASVOU. I hope this exercise will help you maximum to learn Morse code. More day 1 exercise will be made available on website given on your screen. Initially not available, but I will make it and upload it. So this is ASOC Tutorials India's program, Morse code day 1. Hope you like it. Wait for next part day 2. So it is my amateur support for amateur radio community. Happy World Radio Day 2022. If you like this, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you. Good day.